Do you follow intermittent fasting? Well, intermittent fasting could be unsafe for the teenagers. Yes, in a study, it has been revealed that intermittent fasting could lead to impaired cell growth and development. Well, first, let's understand what is intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a dietary trend focusing on when you eat rather than what, and this has gained popularity as a potential weight loss and health strategy with various methods involving alternating periods of eating and fasting. So, intermittent fasting is known to have benefits, including boosting metabolism and helping with weight loss and heart diseases, but until now, its potential side effects weren't well understood. So, well, intermittent fasting promises better health and longer life, but does it work? Researchers from Technical University of Munich discovered that chronic intermittent fasting disrupted the development of insulin producing beta cells in young mice. The findings raise concern about potential risk for humans, especially teenagers. Three groups of mice: adolescent, adult, and older animals. The mice remained without food for 1 day and were fed normally on 2 days. After 10 weeks, insulin sensitivity improved in both the adult and older mice, meaning that their metabolism responded better to insulin produced by the pancreas. This is the key to regulating blood sugar levels and preventing conditions like type 2 diabetes. However, the adolescent mice showed a troubling decline in their beta cell function, which is the insulin producing cell of the pancreas. Insufficient insulin production is linked to diabetes and disrupted metabolism. Then the researchers used the latest single cell sequencing to uncover the cause of the beta cell impairment. By examining the blueprint of the pancreas, the team found that the beta cells in the younger mice failed to mature properly. So, at some point, the cells in the adolescent mice stopped developing and produced less insulin. And the older mice, whose beta cells were already mature before the fasting began, remained unaffected. So the team compared their mouse findings to data from the human tissues. They found out that patients with type 1 diabetes, where beta cells are destroyed by an autoimmune response, showed similar signs of impaired cell maturation. And this suggests that the findings from the mouse study could be also relevant to the humans. So their study confirms the intermittent fasting is beneficial for the adults, but it might come with risk for children and teenagers. Now, why this matters for teenagers? Teenagers are still in a phase of rapid growth and hormonal changes, making their metabolic needs different from those of adults. If intermittent fasting affects beta cell development, it could have long term consequences, such as insulin resistance, impaired glucose metabolism, potential disruption in growth and energy balance, and balancing benefits and other risks. So, while intermittent fasting has been linked to weight loss, improved heart health, and better metabolic flexibility, this study suggests that it might not be ideal for teenagers. Nutrition experts recommend that younger individuals should focus on balanced meal with regular eating intervals, then nutrient dense food that supports growth, avoid extreme fasting patterns until more research is available. So that's it. If you guys want to know more relevant information on this study, you can check out the link of the literature below, and do let me know what are your thoughts on this. Till then, happy reading.